Hello everyone, welcome to Junkcast. In this video, I would like to show you how can we write a reverse method using without using a built-in with methods and with using built-in methods except reverse. So this is kind of like an entry question you can expect in any front entry, but just want to show you like how we can write a reverse method with built-in and without built-in. So let's say reverse with, first we'll look at the built-in methods. So I'll say like function reverse 1 console.log one, two, three, four, five. Okay, so now we're using unshift. See what this unshift does is like it adds an element to an array. So let's look at the documentation of unshift. So unshift adds elements to the beginning of an array and returns a new length. So with having said that, so let me declare one more array. Now say like, okay, I have my array dot for each. Now we say like r1 dot unshift element, and now return r1. Perfect. So we are able to reverse this method. And next one we will look, we'll see how to reverse an array using a slice method. So what is slice? I'm sorry, splice method. The splice method changes the contents of an array by removing or replacing the existing element. So we are going to remove the so in this approach we are going to remove the last element of an array and pushes and appending into a new array. Splice. So constant reverse to function array just copy, for time being just copy these things and call this one reverse to. Okay, so now what we will do, like first of all on each, so we are going to remove this one. So it will be like, say like splice of -1. So splice of -1 and say like r1 dot concat I'm sorry. So first what we should do, like we need to copy, so we need to copy this r1 to array and then declare a variable called output. Okay, so now we declare a variable output. Now in output you say like output equal to output dot concat. So whenever each time the loop executes, so say like r1 dot splice of -1. So with this, like each time when the loop runs, it removes the value, it removes this last element and pushes into the output array. So that means like it's let's trigger this output. Yeah, so that means like each time it removes this last element 6 and then pushes into output, removes the element 5 and then pushes into output. So this is what the functionality of splice works. So now we look at one more feature, how to reverse using a reduce method. So reduce is quite a powerful method in terms of doing any array operations. So console.log reverse 3 so we say like return array.reduce. So first will be my previous one, we call it like and then will be my current, and initialize the first value as array, and now we say here like b comma pre current comma, go with the spread operator, previous. Yeah, now execute this one. Right, so what it does is like an array reduce, so at the initial level I'm initiating a new array, and then what it just pulls this previous value and the current value. So the previous value, the initial has been moved in the last one, and the current has been moved to the first level. So with that we can able to reverse an array. Now let's look at reversing the array without using any built-in methods. So it's a brute force approach. I'll say it's a brute force approach. So constant reverse file function array console.log reverse file one, two, three, four, 5. So here what we should do, like we just want to have output equal to this one, and then say array dot for each. So access that element and index. So now my output dot push, I'm sorry, not this level. So let's go with this one. For I'll go the legacy x equal to my array dot length of -1, and then my x should be less than -1 and x minus. Now I say like output dot push array dot x, return output. Yeah, so this is one type of legacy format where we are reversing this loop and then pushing it to an output value. Now let's look at the most my approach with having a good performance. So we call it like two-pointer approach. So let me copy this one. Reverse of 6. So no need of having any new empty arrays. So let's say my let my left is equal to, I'm assigning 2 pointers, my left pointer is 0 and my right pointer as array dot length. Now have a while loop, while left less than right, now say like my constant of, declare a variable temp equal to left array dot left, and now declare my array dot right equal to my array of left, and my array dot left equal to array of right. Actually it should be this way. So my array dot left should be array dot right, my array dot right should be temp, and finally increment the pointers. So left should increment and right should decrement. So basically like the left pointer will move from 1 to 3 and the right pointer will move from 6 to 3, and finally return array. So this has a better performance when in terms of like without a built-in method. So I'm sorry, so here you should keep this one as -1, right? Yeah, so finally we got it. So if we want to reduce this method, what shall we do is like, we can say like array of my left comma array of right equal to, so this is applicable in JavaScript, right array of left. So then we don't want to declare any temp variable. Let's look at this code. Yeah, finally we got it. Okay, so these are the ways, n number of ways we can reverse an array without using this reverse built-in method. And the last two are the one where we are not using any built-in method itself. You can still have few more options to reverse, but these are the one which I probably mostly use. So especially whenever there is a case where I was not where I need to use a reversing array, then I will always prefer this 2-pointer approach rather than other built-in methods. Hope you have understood, enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please put your comment in the comment box. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up on this video. If you don't like this video, please put a thumbs down. If you have any feedback, please place your comments on the comment box. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. We'll meet soon.